So what's up, my name is Ben, and today I'll be pretty much doing a speaker test between the Samsung Galaxy S7 and the OnePlus 3 here. I just received this phone in, so I decided to do a speaker test because the OnePlus 3 usually gets compared to the S7 since this phone is a flagship killer apparently. Now, I can't confirm if it is a flagship killer without comparing it, so here's a comparison. I'll be pretty much just using some music from No Copyright Sounds here and just comparing the speakers, and I'll just put the microphone in between and I'll just be changing over the song from this one to this one so you guys can pretty much compare the speaker and the sound quality. Now, as you can see, the S7 is much smaller than the OnePlus 3, but that doesn't mean the speaker is that much better. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and let's jump straight into the test.
Treetops of this world, a balance, feeling free. I'm a part of this place of birth, and I know the silence calls to me from the treetops of this world. Part of this place of birth, and I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see. I can finally breathe, and I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
So hopefully guys you were able to judge the performance. Here is what I think. Now I am in the same room as these two phones, but it is just my opinion. Now here is what I think. First off, the OnePlus 3 is like 10 to 15% louder than the S7. So louder speaker on the OnePlus 3. Now the quality, I would say the quality is exactly the same. Now there's the same level of distortion that all phones have. Pretty much it's still amazing quality, but there's just a tiny bit of distortion on both phones. But the OnePlus 3 is a bit louder than the S7, but if I were to lower the volume on the same level, I would say that this phone has a better speaker. Now it is to almost twice the S7 is twice the price of the OnePlus 3, but this one has a better speaker. Now that's just my opinion, but I think I'm right. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I also have tests on the S7 versus S7 Edge speaker and the OnePlus 3 versus the S7 Edge. Now thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely drop this video a like, and I see you all in my next video.